Hi, Dr. Jamal Rahimi here, and I've got my first Suture Buddy Full Kit, and we're going to go a quick unboxing to show you what's inside. First of all, the nice little box. Got a cool card with some instructions on it and all that stuff. Here is the pad. It's the main thing. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I feel like a dealer here, 5 4/0 nylon suture that come with it as well, and then the tools. So in the tools we have a needle driver, we have the scissors, and we have the tissue forceps. Everything you'll need to practice suturing and become a pro.